A big shout out to Kabir Singh. Look at how we become babies with her.
What a gentleman! What a scholar! What commitment!
Simba's face of disappointment. It just shows how out of shape I am. What is this? No, not this time. Not this time.
Welcome back to Gurkirat Vlogs, guys.
I can't hear you. Can you hear? No, you can't. No one can hear.
Welcome back to Gurkirat Vlogs, guys. Guess how I ended up in a suit? In slush. Guinea will tell you the story.
See, guys, we're not starting in a car this time, man. We're starting in a restaurant, man. Like every weekend, we're just eating.
Yeah.
So now we're at Slush.
Yeah.
So we ordered mocha chips and some Slush Happy Eater. So we wanted to have tea, but then Simba said it's too hot for tea, so we ordered cold ginger ales. Let's see how it is. When they come, we'll show you around. Okay, stick around, it's going to be interesting. Today we have a lot of things lined up. I'm not going to mention the plan because it never goes as planned. So we'll just go with the flow. Okay, just keep watching.
But guys, I didn't tell you the main thing. How have we ended up in slush in a suit?
Okay. Now, what happened was, we went to the Gurdwara, okay? And I went looking like a jerk, you know.
Because we had something in plan, and that's how he dressed up
so I dressed up
accordingly.
accordingly. And exactly what happened? There was a wedding happening there.
Oh, yeah.
So what did we have to do? Walk out. Because we can't just crash a wedding party. Maybe the guy has counted the number of people he wants to feed.
Corona.
And we can't just be sitting there. It's wrong. Can you crash someone's wedding party? I can't.
I
He
can't.
doesn't.
I even told Guinea, let's go for...
She can. I can't.
I don't know,
my
let's go for
conscience
them.
doesn't allow me. Like, I can't just be somewhere where I'm not supposed to be. Like, it doesn't involve me.
Guinea is very, how can I put it? He's very
It's very...
conscious.
Yeah,
He's
that's what I
very,
just said, yeah.
he's very public conscious. Like he
Like,
can't...
I can't be at the place. You know, it's wrong. But if you guys do crash some parties, tell us in the comment box below. Yeah. Simba's face of disappointment. She's like,
are those mohoga chips that you ordered?
no, these are fries with the sandwich.
So उन्होंने मसाला chips नहीं खा सकते थे. They could have just told us. We could have
My
ordered.
God.
Blah.
So it's okay, guys. This is their Slush Happy Eater sandwich. It comes complimented with fries and a bit of salad. Salad.
Eat it. Put it in your mouth.
Wow, I'm being forced, guys. So guys, the chips are done. Even the mocha chips are done. That's how they look. This is cassava.
Cassava.
How are they?
Very nice.
I think sandwich is very nice. Guys, the manager is so good. We confused the mohogo to, I thought it was supposed to be masala mohogo. But it came out to be plain mohogo. So now we just asked him to make it like masala mohogo. So he's taking it back to make it like a masala mohogo. Let's see how it turns out to be. Plain mohogo is a bit dry. So let's see how the masala mohogo turns out to be. Guys, that's now the masala mohogo. Look, better. Isn't it? What do you think?
It looks very nice. I'm showing everyone I'm the one who finishes the food.
She didn't like that, guys. It's only me enjoying. Look at her face. She's not even enjoying it. It's me who's enjoying the mohogo, man.
I'm not a mogo fan.
It's actually very nice. Bomb. So, Jackie guys have finally joined us, and now next thing in the plan is that we're heading to Oloolua Oloolua Nature Trail, something like that in Karen. So Jackie guys have also joined us and we're heading there. Just to give you guys a brief, it is Sophie's birthday. So we also have something in line for that, but I'm not going to mention what is there in line because if I mention kuch plan nahi janda. So what we're going to do is just go with the flow. We're going to celebrate her birthday. How? I don't know, but we are going to celebrate her birthday.
Of course, Sophie turns 5. We need to get her married now.
Yep. See you guys at Oloolua Nature Trail. Oloolua Nature Trail, guys. We're here. We're just parking our cars, and I think we have to leave our cars outside here, then proceed inside. So, Mama, what is the good news here?
You know, good news is we can bring Sophie next time now.
And
We'll bring
the
Sophie
dog must
and
be
Monty.
on a leash
Yes.
when you bring. Look, this is the entrance to Ololua. Hi.
So na.
I told you there's a car that can pass by. This thing is like spooky, man.
Gilly, is the waterfall the same place?
I have no idea, guys.
Should have asked. So this is where the bike rental is. On this
Bike rental is this way.
Yeah.
So we can go that way then.
Yeah, let's just try.
This is no littering. It's like a
That's like a picnic.
picnic site.
No littering.
I think there. Let's go there and see.
Okay. So guys, we're lost.
There's no planet B. B to tap.
Oh, it just shows how out of shape I am.
We all are.
I just took a hike from there till here. Oh, but it's amazing. Huh? You're okay.
No, I'm pretty.
Hey, yeah. So we've been asked to head. Oh, it even reads there to Waterfall.
So smart.
We're getting there, guys. We're going there, guys. Look at this. So you can come and chill here.
Tall building is there.
That tall building, that's what he meant, the tall building.
That's a tall building. Okay, wow, that's so cool.
It's a cool thing. Hello.
You know how to go down to the waterfall?
There's no. I just come that way. So you've got. I think it's down here and around
Okay.
because there's no way of getting down.
So it's this way.
Guys, this place is beautiful, and we can hear the.
Amazing, guys. Like, look at this. So peaceful. I don't know what you guys are doing, going to Karura all the time.
It's so much
Come and
chillier.
try Ololua Trail. It's a trail. It has waterfall. You can hear
Thanks
the
to
Kabir. A big shout out to Kabir Singh for actually suggesting this to me. Kabir, thank you so much. If you have other places in mind that are in Nairobi, please mention them to us. We would happily
explore.
explore. It's
Guys,
nice. I've never been here.
We can
There's
even
a
hear.
waterfall here.
Yes, I can hear the kids
You can hear the kids, yeah?
shouting and the water.
Come. We have to go. Just don't fall.
I don't fall easily, you know that.
Oh, for fingers.
Wow. I mean, like,
So when you come,
Wow.
you can walk like a gentleman, not like an idiot like me. You know, I'm just running around. But you can come and take a cool walk. Okay, this is a bit steep. Careful.
it's gonna be Sophie's day next week.
Steep.
Guys, this
We're
is
turning left.
to the waterfall,
Yeah, come.
and then to Bamboo Cliff and the cave.
Wow. You don't have tricky sounds.
Ta-na-na-na. Wow.
The waterfall is coming in 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's full. What the hell? Oh, the kids are here, students.
Too many deals.
So we decided to go back because there's so many people. We'd rather first go and visit the other places and then come back to the waterfall when there are a few people out here. Actually, I don't know, it's like a school trip for some students. So on a Sunday, on a Sunday. So school kids are here and they want to enjoy the waterfall. Let them enjoy. Us will come back later. All right. Oh, Jogi. Oh, Joe! There's something here. I don't know what is here. We can go over here, guys. Oh, it's steep. Careful.
It's wash away. I think it's wash away mostly.
Let's go. I have no idea. Let's just go. We should have brought our sandwiches or something. Wait. Okay. If you don't have that phobia of...
Oh my god. It's actually steep.
It's actually steep. Going up. Woo! Where?
Not a waterfall already.
The bamboo something. What is Ganda? I think it's cool, man. You can sit and chill here.
They made it. See the lady first. She pause and tap you on your own.
Yeah.
See the ladies first. What a gentleman. What a scholar. What commitment.
What commitment.
Finally convinced them to go there, guys. Hey!
That stone is literally, yeah.
Sima, how is it?
It's so pretty. In fact, I already removed my socks and my shoes there.
I would have also done the same because it's slippery there. That's why I didn't want to take a risk. I don't know how deep it is there. It might be shallow though.
It is. Look at the stick where it's going to. So it's probably shallow, the bamboo stick.
Yeah.
But it's nice.
Alright, let's go. Let's go. We have to continue, guys. We are now heading to the caves. Let's see how the cave. What? Did we just come down from here?
No, we came down from that side.
Hey, it's gonna be a mission. Let's just look at that, man.
Look at somebody even took out time to start carving out his name.
Oh,
In stone.
BK. What does BK mean? I was gonna remove a gal, but it's okay. Maybe the.
There's something else.
Careful. Look at her just acting like I'm so scared. This lady is the most adventurous lady I've actually seen. She can attempt anything.
Thank you.
Yeah.
What if we
See more to reaction.
we'll go inside and see his reaction. Let's go. Tell you? Let me switch on my. She doesn't want to continue.
नहीं आजा नोनू, we're here. नोनू आजा. आजा. It's not like low. You can stand up from there.
Come.
Watu wanipiga wako hapa wengi bana.
Ambani.
Sasa enda. Haya. Sasa ndio kama niende. Muso ngonde.
What?
Hapo.
Nipo munu mwenye ndile mshirindo kwa shikalimu.
Gini khatam ho janda.
I think there's some other tiny trails there.
Paka na mahindi mo. Paka na mahindi mo.
Baruli na.
Ayo yo. I'm a fighter. Oh.
It's dark in here. Totally dark. So there was a way you could go.
Inside.
There was like a small pill I don't know what that was for, but yeah.
No, there was another way that you could go inside, become deeper as well.
I don't know. It looks a bit scary, guys. So we wouldn't want to explore it all the way inside. And it does become hot. And then it does become hot. Oh, look at this. Let's just go out. Just hope my pocket isn't full. So we've seen the bamboo. What is it? Bamboo? Bamboo something. And then we went into the cave. Now we had started from the waterfall, so we went back to the waterfall. Hopefully the kids are done with their thing, so we can like go and enjoy the waterfall. The cave, honest review, it was kind of smelling. I hope there was a damp smell. I don't know. It was smelling bad. And as the deeper you go, oxygen starts reducing. It starts becoming difficult to breathe in because there's so many people inside there. If you're alone, it's nice, it's interesting. Yeah, I didn't expect so many people here, but because it's a short trail, you do meet a couple of people at the same time at that spot. Unlike Karura, because it's a long trail, so by the time you start your trail and you get to the point, the viewpoint, people are done, they're moving on, you know. So anyway, Ololua, it hasn't disappointed us. We're happy we came here.
No, it's definitely chillier than Karura forest.
Yeah,
It's more shady.
it's more shady. The other thing with this is that it doesn't have a fixed trail the way Karura has, but Karura has its own beauty, you can't deny it. We'll obviously take you there also. It might not be a new thing to you, but I don't know who's watching me, so it might be a new thing for other viewers.
But this is definitely a new thing for a lot of people.
Yeah, for a lot of people. Ololua, it's located in Karen. You should definitely give it a try. Keep watching, it's not yet over. We are heading to the waterfall. And I don't know how we're heading to the waterfall, going to the opposite direction. But yeah, we're heading to the waterfall. Guys, this thing is like giving us horror vibes, you know. And this lady is just giving us horror stories. Sima, you want to share the horror story?
So guys, have you watched horror movies where everyone is walking in a line because the place is too narrow?
Yeah.
And then the last one disappears, like whoop. The ghost of the animal takes the person away. Guess who's the last person?
I don't know.
Me. I was the last person behind there.
Wait, wasn't the horror story about like a horror movie?
Yes, but now...
But when were you in the horror movie?
But as in, imagine if it happens now. Who is at the end?
Me.
Me.
Who is recording you from behind? Me. So I'll be gone. Whoop, gone. Whoop.
Then everyone... There's something behind us. Run.
That's the building that they call Eagle something. And then you go back down from here, and that's where the waterfall is. That's where we started. So because the waterfall was full, now you can't hear any noise. We'll go there, it's peaceful. So we decided to use a different route, and actually I think it's much better. We can jump from here, isn't it? Yeah. Sima, I'm gonna jump.
Wait.
And then you'll put the sound effect, okay? You know which one?
Tutu.
No, what do you mean tutu? Am I that heavy? No, you just go. This is pretty cool, man. It's okay, go. It's okay. You just watch your step and go. We can sing Bollywood songs after that.
Genitya. Yay! I wanna come too.
You wanna come?
Wow, guys.
You know the view from me is proper.
Guys, wish me luck. I'm also going.
What? Wish you luck, I'm here. Phone de pehla. The phone is more important, guys.
I'll drop you. It's easy, come.
Now we have another way we can go down there. We can see the view from the front. This is now the actual waterfall from the top.
Actually, we can. Let me do it.
So we attempted the. Is this? Maybe it looks easy, but it does scare you a bit. Knowing that it's slippery rock over there, you might just slip. And the way he says, you become a vegetable if you hit a rock, isn't it? You become a vegetable. So we want to avoid becoming vegetables here. But this is so nice. We're actually right on top of the waterfall. So that's where the waterfall is, and we are here, guys. So Mansimran and I decided to go and see the waterfall from the front because we already saw it from the top.
We had the chance.
Yep. We have the chance, so why not just have a view of the waterfall from down here as well? Ow! Okay, so it looks like everyone is gone and we have the waterfall to ourselves! Nice.
Guys, to be more specific, we were literally there.
Yeah, you can't zoom in.
Oh no, we were there.
We were there.
Up
So we were sitting there.
there.
Now we're here.
Nowhere down where the waterfall is coming from here. How pretty is that?
You guys need to hit the subscribe button now
Yeah!
and hit the like button.
Yes, for sure. Guys, this place is really nice when you come to the waterfall. It's so
You need to just
relaxing.
come here with the mindset that you come to relax. Yeah? Or you come to explore.
Explore,
Yeah.
because it doesn't have a certain trail. You have to go wherever it's
Yeah.
taking you, basically.
So we're going to attempt certain things over here soon. Because they have campsites, they have picnic sites, so we'll attempt something.
We can do Koroga, which is our
Yeah, we can do Koroga. Yeah.
our like speciality
Yeah,
Koroga.
you know that, guys. Anyway, guys, now we'll just get going home. We need to go and start shopping for Sophie. It's a birthday party.
Yes.
Then from there, head home and wait for Chucky, guys. So we're shopping for now. Sophie's birthday party. Sophie's gonna wear a cap together with Monty, isn't it, Sima?
Huh?
And I think we might decorate with this. Sinda, Sima.
Sorry?
That's how we're gonna decorate.
Yeah, we're gonna get Sophie a hat
And Monty as well.
and Monty a hat
Yeah.
and we'll do like
Yeah, where are those? They'll run away.
Isn't it this one? They're these ones, Guinea.
No, I doubt. But which cap do we pick for them?
They're all together. It's not single.
Ah, we want singles. What is this? It's for Sophie. That's what you think we'll get for Sophie.
Sophie's going to hate me if I give her. We have shopped for Sophie. We got her a hat.
A very nice hoodie. Beautiful.
Yeah.
You know she's got blonde fur.
Yeah.
Blonde fur? Yeah, blonde fur.
Blondish, yeah. Brownish.
Yeah. So we got a navy blue hoodie.
She's gonna look so pretty.
Yep.
We've got her a hat. What is it? What are those other things called?
Her and Monty will be wearing a hat.
Yeah. What are those other things called, Guinea?
I don't know, some party blue.
Party blue poppers.
Party bluing poppers.
Poppers something.
I know they're gonna get dead scared with that. They might even stop hanging out, both of them. But let's see what happens. I'm not so sure. So now we've ordered pizza. Guys, who celebrates a dog birthday like us? If you do, hit the comment box and tell us what do you do for your dog on his or her birthday.
Yeah. So we shall see you home now.
Yeah, we're going to Jaggy's place and then from there we're picking up the pizza. heading home. We bought some sausages.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a nice sausages thing, and Nonu is making some fries,
Yeah.
special type of fries. So it's just gonna be again Western, but a nice time celebrating the birthday, and we just want an excuse to celebrate. Yeah, we just want an excuse to eat.
We just want an excuse to get together
Yeah,
and
that's
just
it.
have a nice
It
time
doesn't
with
matter,
the
guys,
families.
whether it's dog's birthday, any small thing, get together, celebrate. That's what we are about, and I hope you guys enjoy that. If you do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Yeah,
Yes.
video ain't over yet. Keep watching. We'll see you now straight at home after
Yeah.
doing all the shopping. There's no point of
Yeah.
you guys seeing all that, what you're doing, blah 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 blah. So we'll just meet you straight at home.
Yeah.
Stick around. Cheers. Oh no! That's for Sophie's. That's for Sophie's, not for Sophie's. That's for Sophie. Hello, Chavi. That's yours, baby. Okay, put it on, then we'll record. Okay. Oh, this is that balloon thing.
Yeah. Oh, it's with this thing. Put this
Yeah,
inside.
pakai apa?
At the other.
I think at the top. See, 5 is from the top.
This red thing.
Ah, okay. Nice.
Rating lo ki karna? Karna kiya.
So from that red thing, the under मार देना.
Then what do you do? You leave it
Then
like
you
that?
blow it.
Oh no, you're supposed to hold it like this. No, blow it.
From the video, you know. जा रही है वहाँ अंदर? Try now.
Yeah, there it's going. Very good, very good, very good.
No, it's
Very
like
good,
toka
it's
from
going.
something.
It's going. It's going.
Okay, record.
Yeah.
जोड़ना यार.
आए बस कर कर देना.
नहीं यार नहीं हुआ. ये सब फुल खा ले. सॉफ्ट आ. थोड़ा और.
See, that's good.
हाँ, खींच दे उन.
Wait, it's not supposed to be like this?
No, काट देना.
The chaps are done, guys. Hot dogs. Are you boiling? These are hot dogs, right?
These are sausages.
These are sausages.
Soya.
That's sausages as well, right?
So yeah, vegetarian sausages, please.
Yes, vegetarian sausages, guys. We're not eating non-veg sausages. There's nothing non-vegetarian here.
Nothing at all.
But no, where are the hot dogs? We're not making hot
Hot
dogs.
dogs नहीं ला रहे. Because it's the same family, yeah. So we are like this. Let's do this.
We don't know what that meant, but yeah. Then we have pizza. Shit, that was so. No, proper हो गया देखे proper. Hey, it's your birthday, it's your birthday. Oh, Sophie, it's your birthday, it's your. Oi, why are you showing head? Huh? What? Because you're in dad's arms, huh? Sophie. Number 5. Hi, Sophie, it's your birthday. Sophie, look up here. Look up here, baby. Ah, it's your birthday. Oi, aaki kita. Oi. Monty! You're part of the birthday gang, Monty.
Cute, Monty.
Hi, Monty.
It looks like Aladdin there. They can't see. What thing?
Auntie has baked this cake for Sophie. Okay, it's not for Sophie, but for us. But she's like done for Sophie's birthday.
For some time, then.
Look at how we become babies with her.
Guys, are you going to sing for us?
We're going to sing for Sophie.
Happy birthday, Sophie. Happy birthday, Sophie. Happy birthday, dear
Sophie, sorry. Oi, sorry.
Happy birthday
Sorry.
to you. अंदर आ गया.
The video is now coming to an end. Okay. Guys, it was fun. Look at all this.
Look at all that confetti, guys. So beautiful.
Who celebrates like that? Only us. If you do leave a comment.
If you like the video, first of all, thank you for giving us so much love. We are almost we've crossed so many subscribers.
She didn't want to leak the number.
No, I didn't want to leak the number, but we have really increased on our subscribers. So thank you very much. If you've liked this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Until next time.